Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Rapika Israsana and I'm from Group 6. Today, I want to talk about teacher qualification. I hope you find it interesting and informative. So let's get started. This is my outline. I divided it into 6 sections. The first is definition of teacher qualification. Second, academic qualification. Third, teaching and learning qualifications. Fourth, functions of teacher qualifications. Fifth, conclusion. And the last is question and answer sections. Okay, let's begin with the first section. Definition of teacher qualification. Qualification means having the skills and knowledge needed for a job or position. In education, it's about having the expertise required for teaching. On the other hand, a teacher is a professional educator who is responsible for teaching, guiding, and assessing students, usually in early childhood, primary, or secondary education. In conclusion, teacher qualification is the specialized skills or expertise, including academic and technical aspects, required by a professional educator to fulfill their primary role in educating, teaching, guiding, directing, training, assessing, and evaluating students within the context of formal education, which includes early childhood education, primary education, and secondary education. Next, the second section is academic qualification. Academic qualification is the minimum level of education that must be met by a teacher as evidenced by a diploma and/or relevant certificates in accordance with the prevailing laws and regulations. Two academic qualifications that teachers should possess are first, formal education qualifications and qualifications for eligibility and equivalence. First, formal education qualifications. Education qualifications are bachelor's qualifications obtained through an educational process that typically spans 4 years. For example, a mathematics teacher should hold a bachelor's degree in mathematics, while an English teacher should have a degree in English or a related field. Second, qualifications for eligibility and equivalence. Qualifications for eligibility and equivalence are academic qualifications required to be appointed as a teacher in specific fields that are highly needed but have not yet been developed at the university level. For example, a vocational high school might require a teacher with expertise in a particular technical trade. In this case, the teacher may have qualifications from a vocational training program or extensive professional experience in that trade. Based on the educator standards in Government Regulation Number 19 of 2005, it is stated that educators must have academic qualifications and competence as agents of learning, physical and spiritual health, and the ability to realize national educational goals, which includes minimum academic qualification of a 4-year diploma or bachelor's degree, educational background relevant to the field or subject they teach, and teacher professional certification, or a minimum of 36 credit hours beyond a 4-year diploma or bachelor's degree. Next, the third section is qualifications for teaching and learning. The qualification of teaching and learning activities refers to the qualifications or competencies possessed by a teacher or educator in the context of delivering or learning process. Teacher qualifications consist of 3 dimensions, namely competencies related to first, teaching plans and materials, second, classroom procedures, and third, interpersonal skill. Teaching plans and materials. This dimension refers to a teacher's ability to plan and prepare instructional materials and content for their lessons. It's about knowing what to teach, how to teach it, and having the right resources. Classroom procedures. This dimension involves the procedures or routines that a teacher establishes and follow within the classroom. It's like having a well-organized structure for how things work in class, from how students enter the room to how they ask questions. Interpersonal skill. Interpersonal skills pertain to a teacher's ability to build positive relationships with students, colleagues, and other stakeholders. It's important for creating a positive learning environment. Next, the fourth section is functions of teacher qualifications. Teacher qualifications serve various crucial functions, which include: first, enhancing teaching quality. Highly qualified teachers contribute to a higher standard of education and more effective learning experience for students. Second, fostering student potential. Well-qualified educators have the capacity Well-qualified educators have the capacity to identify and nurture the potential of each student, helping them excel academically and personally. Third, building students' trust. A qualified teacher earns the trust and respect of their students, creating an environment where students feel comfortable and motivated to learn. Fourth, elevating teacher professionalism. Teacher qualifications enhance the overall professionalism of the education sector, promoting a commitment to excellence. Fifth, adhering to educational standards. Teachers with the requisite qualifications teachers with the requisite qualifications are better positioned to meet and maintain educational standards set by educational authorities. Sixth, adapting to Sixth, adapting to educational changes. Qualified teachers can readily adapt to evolving teaching methods, technologies, and curriculum changes. Seventh, creating a positive learning environment. Teacher qualifications contribute to the creation of a positive, inclusive, and engaging learning environment. 8. Serving as role models. Qualified teachers often serve as role models for their students, demonstrating dedication, ethics, and a commitment to lifelong learning. And last, contributing to national contributing to national educational progress. High quality high quality educators play a pivotal role in advancing a nation's educational achievements and its long-term development. And the fifth section is conclusion. In conclusion, teacher qualifications are the skills and expertise needed for effective teaching. Teachers play a vital role in education, and their qualifications are crucial for providing quality learning experience. These qualifications include academic qualification and qualification for teaching and learning. The academic qualification include two qualifications, namely formal education qualifications and qualifications for eligibility and equivalence, while the qualification for teaching and learning include three dimensions, namely teaching plans and materials, classroom procedures, and interpersonal skill. Well-qualified teachers enhance the overall quality of education, nurture students' potential, and earn trust and adapt to educational changes. They create positive learning environments, serve as role models, and contribute to a nation's educational progress. So, teacher qualifications are fundamental for a successful education system and a brighter future. Before we move to the last section, here is my references for this teacher qualification material. I hope these references can help you guys to more understand about teacher qualification. Next, question and answers. So that's all I can share for now. I apologize for any errors and I hope it can be useful for all of you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.